I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck.
Howdy, Team Reet and the gang that's carrying. So we are on the way back from Drift SA round something, still don't know what it was. And we are on the way, well, we're actually here now, but we're in Melbourne CBD from South Australia. And this is a bit of a behind the scenes on a shoot night for our giveaway videos. And tonight that is the R32 GTR, the 500 kilowatt beast. The boys are meeting us in there, in the city, that is. And we're going to get a little bite to eat before we get into it. And Corey's going to take the 34 back to the factory. It's a bit of a long one today. And it's going to be a long night, as usual. Yep. But I hope you enjoy.
We know that Nando's is closed.
Yeah. What?
Nando's is closed. What are we going to do?
That's Tom Sharp.
I'm Tom Sharp.
That's Adam.
Live and full up.
What is?
Don't know.
What is that?
That's how all GTRs come.
Man. Haven't seen car yet, true. Freshly tuned while we're away.
Spicy under bonnets.
500 kilowatt.
Gonna hop in the ghost and I be a ghost. What I do is a hobby for most. A comedy roast. I'm on my own. I gotta be known. I gotta be toast. I'm in an I know. You would never put the motherfucking work into the dreaming. It's obvious not about everything and everybody. It shows my revenue growth is out of control. I'm ready to blow. I'm ready for war. I'm ready for smoke. You ready to go? I really think I'm playing chess. I see a king. I'm
Too full to film anything. Do this every time, Adam. I pace myself tonight. I normally smash the foods so much that we have to like have the 1 hour settle.
Get on that food.
Ooh,
Oh, that's a different
it's a 400Z, son.
We're actually giving this away.
We're actually giving away this point. But anyone has one of these and wants to give us it, we'll buy it. I really want one. They've only just landed, so
Actually,
I mean it'll be a little bit dated now, but
That's look pretty spicy.
it's spicy. But I really want to slam one. Straight pipe, slam, truck works. Put some 3-piece wheels. That's
What a fanboy.
They just landed. Napsters, the new Napster, future of draft.
It's the future of a draft. Look at him go. I've never seen him take so many photos.
Can't believe it.
Right.
We're just checking the specs of the 400Z. Apparently, comes with a naturally aspirated twin turbo V6. What's a? I'm confused.
Hi, welcome to the shoot night.
Yes, welcome.
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 This is our go-to spot apparently. We
One of them. We've got like 3.
We somehow always end up here. So.
Yeah, because you always say, we gotta go back to where we the first shoot.
My favourite.
The S15 back in the day.
Same
Stancy
song.
boy.
Stacks.
Damn. Oh,
City stank.
what did you do, Adam?
Let's get into it. I don't want another 6 a.m. night. I'm happy.
You shouldn't come here.
I didn't say come downstairs, waste time.
It was Adam. He said it was noisy.
We're going to have to move from this spot because it's way too loud, as I'm sure you can hear on the microphone.
Too many fans and stuff going on.
Yeah, there's bulk fans.
We've been here a couple of times before and it's never been like this, so.
Yeah, so we're going to head to South Bank to another spot that we know.
Yep.
Should be better.
Yeah.
I'm on my own, gotta be known, gotta be toast, I'm in an I know. You would never put the motherfucking work into the dreaming. It's obvious not about everything and everybody. It shows my revenue growth is out of control. I'm ready to blow, I'm ready for war, I'm ready for smoke. You ready to go? Really?
Yeah, drive's quite nice. Needs an alignment. The old last minute things. Typical, but we'll get her good for the winner, as always. You have to. I'm jet lagged.
So I'm sharpened with the setup.
Ooh.
What camera do you shoot with for people who...
For anyone that actually cares, shoot with a Sony A7S III with a Kang 24-70 G Master, and we got a Ronin RS2.
Yeah.
Does the job.
And we use the Rode VO9
Yeah.
as the lap mics. They work pretty well.
Yeah.
Then I'm a Canon boy, which is why I don't shoot at night, because the low light sucks. But yes, all the fancy giveaways.
That's it. That's it.
I'm ready to go, sir. Have my Red Bull. I'm ready to give him that energy.
You look at yourself. Are you being a naughty boy?
Jason spotted something.
I needed to check.
Saw naked people.
This is Jason's warm-up.
Warming up legs up. So here it is, our latest giveaway. You might remember it from our Pick a GTR giveaway. We've been working on this thing so hard in the background to make a 500 plus kilowatt R32 GTR. And then of course you're worrying about the sounds. We've got a 4-inch stainless system, turbo all the way back through, and she sounds spicy. Let's have a listen. One take, Farron.
Monday Farrett. That is probably the best take you've ever done in your life.
Yeah. How long have you been reading those specs? Because that was like you just bam, bam, bam.
But it's a car I like. I remember those specs.
Can I just point? Jason never does that. So please don't get the idea that he does it one take. We're here
One
for
take,
hours.
Farron.
One
I've been
night.
waiting for my moment.
One night.
And
to
that's
get one
it.
take
Let's
of
pack her up.
me.
Go home, boys. I just want to point out that first of all, the seats aren't ripped. And now after going through a few of these GTRs, they're always bloody ripped. On this part here, more on the driver's seat. But for once, this one isn't ripped at all. But one thing that people probably don't realise is the amount of effort we go in just the smaller details. Like this dash had a crack in it. Some of the trims like around here were a little bit janky, and we've replaced all that. So just so you know. And also this car was also another fresh import, which we get a few of, and had to get it all complied, registered, deregistered. So yeah, technically whoever wins it will be the first actual owner, sort of. It was all for the mods mainly, because we do all these mods. If someone had to go and get it complied, you'd have a shit time with the single turbo and the power and everything else. So we got it all done when it was standard, got it all complied, all registered, and then it can go anywhere now, and it's all ready to go. And so we've done all the mods, and you shouldn't have an issue getting it registered. Okay.
So we normally have a big car mount that goes on the side of Tom's car that we film the rollers with. Yeah, it's raining too wet. Not going to happen for the 4th time in a row, much to Jason's disgust.
A waste of money. It was mass expensive, that stupid day.
It's always wet in winter. Who would have thunk it?
Shat.
It is shat.
We're moving to Queensland like everyone else.
That's no. So Tom gets to hang out the window with that. Just like the old days.
Oh, the good old days.
We're almost done.
Nearly there.
Final shots. And it's not too bad. It's not too bad timing.
This is actually early.
11:15. Not bad.
Still got to shoot the rollers and get audio.
Yeah, sometimes that drags out, but should be right. Get home at 2.
Yeah, we're going to. And this 7-Eleven
From the south side, we warriors. My bloodline vainglorious. My storyline victorious. Ain't just me, it's more of us. And we out here, we all in, no doubt here. Chase money bags, no clout here. Go dead in, no route here. From the south side, we warriors. My bloodline vainglorious.
I'm tired. I'm jet lagged.
We're nearing the end. Got the rolling shots done.
It's the earliest giveaway shoot I've ever been on. It's 20 past 12 at the moment.
Not bad, not bad.
That is the earliest it's ever been.
He's got the daylight savings saying, or the other way around. I don't know. I always forget that one. Don't know.
It's got a secret hack to the 7-Eleven coffees.
7-Eleven.
I don't believe it.
Alright. So I just pull it away.
$3 coffee and a $2 cut.
It's the same amount of coffee, doesn't matter.
No, it's stronger. You get more coffee.
I don't think it is.
And then
stronger,
less max to pull it away. And that as the target, see? Stronger.
So it's so the same amount of coffee.
Oh, so you can tell me that is more milk.
Yeah. Yeah, I honestly reckon that. I think that's the truth. I think is what it is.
It's not true. Trust me.
You're connoisseur of the 7-Eleven coffee.
Trust me. Behind it.
Yeah, it's not true.
Yeah. I can get around it.
Yeah, it's worth it. Either way, it fills it to the brewnness, whereas sometimes it doesn't. You know?
I hate that.
Alright, coffee time. Camera away. Oh, this burger not gonna sit.
Don't know if you can tell, but it's absolutely axing down at the moment. We've just pulled into a close servo. I couldn't see anything. Guess we'll just hang out here. Yeah, we'll probably hang out here until it passes a little bit because it's pretty sketch on the road. Not ideal at all. Oh, we're nearly done. So very close. Well, you're about to go home. 12 past 1.
That's an early one.
That is very early.
It's not too bad. Normally, yeah. Recently, I mean, the last couple have been what? 4 o'clock? Yeah. 5 o'clock? Yeah, it's been pretty hectic. This one's actually run reasonably well. So let's hope that we've got the footage that we need. Feels like we're missing something.
We made it.
We made it. It's now 1:39. Earliest giveaway shoot
That
I've
is
ever been
early.
on.
What was last time? Literally like 6 a.m. we got home.
Yeah.
That's it. Hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes. I'm tired and I'm jet lagged. Smack that like. Make sure you jump on this beast because it's a nice one and I want it myself.
It's up there with one of my favourites.
Yeah, I love the colour, everything. Like, if I had a GTR, 32 GTR, this would probably be it. Spicy power, nice responsive for the street interior, everything works. It's what you want. Ride's nice, drive's nice. Yeah, get on it. We'll jump on your membership. And if you don't do either of them, at least like the video and bang a comment. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Go dead in, no route here.